Hey, so if your Bitly links are not tracking clicks, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially if you rely on analytics for marketing or campaigns. Maybe you're getting traffic, but the numbers stay at zero. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve this issue. First, make sure people are actually clicking your link. Try opening it yourself or sharing it again to test. Next, confirm you're checking the analytics for the correct Bitly link. Sometimes multiple links point to the same URL. Bitly analytics may not update instantly. Yeah, so wait a few minutes and refresh your dashboard. If privacy settings or tracking restrictions are enabled, they might limit data collection. Try clicking your link from different devices or networks. This helps confirm if tracking is working properly. Ad blockers or VPNs, yeah, can block tracking scripts. Disable them and test again. Some features may depend on your plan, so check if your account has any limitations. If nothing works, yeah, create a new Bitly link and test tracking again. So yeah, that's how to fix Bitly not tracking clicks. One of these steps should get your analytics working properly again. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes.